Hi, this is Cheryl Moore with Glitters and More, and I'm here to do a review on a starter kit with some really wonderful gel. It's a soak-off gel, and it comes with a great light. It's UV LED. Here's the light, and like I said, it's by Model Ones, and the lamp itself is made by Sun UV, and their products are absolutely wonderful. Um, it comes with everything that you see here. I believe, gets 50 packets of this. This is for when you're done and want to remove your gel. You just kind of buff the top of your nails to break the top coat and stick a finger in each one of these, and it takes about 20 minutes and you should be able to remove your gel. But these are really nice to have. You also get this cuticle Model Ones cuticle revitalizer oil. I got it said. But anyway, it's really nice, and you want to put that on after you do your gels. Got to protect the cuticles. You get a nice finger brush and fingernail brush, whatever. You get some tip guides, which are really good for putting on, like they show here on the picture, at the end to make that smile line if you want to do your tip in one color or you want to do pink and whites. But it gives you options and just makes things a little bit easier. Just remember to take it off before you go to cure your gel, or it'll become part of your design. Here is a metallic cuticle. Here's the pusher, and there is a scraper there just to get the extra cuticle stuff off your nails. You get a set of separators either for your fingers or your toes. They're nice foam. Don't ask me why I cannot remember the name of these. We all know what they are. Fingernail cutters. I don't know. These are nice pinchers. They're like tweezers, but they have some tension on them. They're great for keeping the shape of your nail if you're going, especially for longer nails, or also if you're going to pick up or put on crystals or beads or any of those kind of things, nail art. You can use these as tweezers and pick them up and place it. And the tip is real pointed, comes to a nice point there is what I'm trying to say. So it makes it real easy to put it exactly where you want it. It comes with 2 files, and this one is really nice because it's also washable and disinfectable, which makes it really nice instead of having to throw it out after each time. And then here is a plastic cuticle tool. Here's the scraper, and there's a cuticle cutter for those that cut their cuticles. And now we come to the best part of this whole package. Let me adjust this so I can show it to you. You get 4 gels. They are all sparkly and just gorgeous. And you get a top and a base coat. Actually, let me show you the base coat first. This is the base coat. Excuse my nails, I've been doing stuff and haven't gotten them done. But it's nice. The texture or the consistency is really good. It's not too thick and not too thin. It has a little bit of a smell, but it's not that bad. Excuse me. This is the first gel I want to show you. Excuse me. And it is number, let me see if I can get it where you guys can see it, 3534. And I can't tell if you guys can see it, but that's what it is. This is a pink and like a rose gold. It's got pink and silver in it. And look how nice this is. Now, I will admit that I got these today, and it's snowing outside, so it was pretty cold for the postman. And even though it's Sunday, he delivered, but should have waited till later to do these. I was just really excited. So you'll see on my swatches that there's lumps in places on some of them because I was anxious. Okay, this is, I've used swatch sticks that have 3 on here, 3 places. On one, I just put the gel on there. This one, I did 2 coats of white, and then in this spot, I did 2 coats of a charcoal gray, just to see what it would look like. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? This also has the top coat on there. And if you'll notice, the top coat is just as smooth as could be. It's a no white top coat, which is a nice bonus. Now this is it over white. I wanted to see if the color made any difference and also what it would look like as a fade. And I think it looks really pretty. And then here it is over the charcoal gray. I don't know if you can see with the glare. Let me try moving it and see if that helps. But look how pretty that is. Okay, our next color is this one, and it's number 3512, and I believe it's the silver. And yes, it is. Look at that. How pretty that is. This is still a little thick because it's still a little cool, but I couldn't wait to show you guys. It's so pretty. And let me show you what it looks like. Here is the silver by itself. Look at that. And this is just 2 coats. And as you can see, nothing underneath it. It's just the gel. Well, it's got the base coat and then the top coat. And here it is in the white. Just want to make sure you guys can see how pretty it is. And then in the charcoal gray. The next one is really pretty. Look at this purple. It's got purple and silver and blue. Some's holographic, some's not. It's just gorgeous. Sorry about that. Make sure you guys can see it. And this is item number or color number 3522. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Wait till you see this one done. Look at that. Now, if that doesn't blow you away, I don't know what would. It's pretty. And there again, just so you see, I have nothing underneath that. There's the white and then there's the charcoal gray. But that is pretty. And then here it is over the white. And you'll notice right here, I got a kind of a clump of it because, again, it was too cold. I should have waited. But look how pretty that is. Makes a really nice fade. And I think it really does over the charcoal gray. And then the last one is a gold. Now it has some silver in there. It's holographic. Really pretty. And like I said, it's not as thick as it normally shows here. It's just cold due to the weather. And that is item number 3513. Wait till you see this. Look how pretty that is. You can see the holographic. And look at that coverage. That's 2 coats. Here's the back side. In fact, you can see where I missed some. But look how good that coverage is. And here it is over the white. And then over the gold, or over the charcoal gray. I hope that's showing up, because it really is pretty. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to show you was the top coat. I'm really liking this top coat. It's thick, but not too thick. It stays where you put it. There really is very little smell to it. It's a really good product. It self-levels really, really well. I didn't have a problem with it flooding my cuticles or anything else. I just am really impressed. And it's a no white top coat. So there again, that's basically my review. I hope that you will take a look. I will put the description in the, or I'll put the link in the description, because I really can't recommend this highly enough. I think that you'll be really impressed. I really like the glitter gels. I don't know how anyone wouldn't. And they're the soak-offs. So thank you for listening and watching. Bye.